Alright, here we're in Pigeon Forge, and I'm here at the Amazon locker because I need a new TPMS or TPMS for the RV. It's like fading out after 7-8 years. So let's open up the locker. Down here. Okay, that's it. So open up when we're on the RV side. And here's the TPMS system we just picked up from Amazon. And it's from TimeMate. Put a link in the description of the video. It's about half the cost of the leading products. Also purchased a repeater, which I have connected directly to the battery. I just take out the fuse when I don't drive, but connection is stable, and it's definitely a great product, and it's just replaced on the dashboard with a sticky pad. Also has a solar panel on top, which will charge actually while in use. We are in Newport, Tennessee.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Here we are, this Roscoe's Treasures. $425 for this old record player here. Wow, look, there's some records in here too. Ooh, this is old ceramic. They're all like heavy. They're not the plastic ones. Wow. And we're getting some chocolate chip cookies right here at the farmers market in Newport. Alright, we're here now in Asheville, North Carolina, on the way to our favorite ramen restaurant. And here it is, the ramen place, Ito Ramen. And here's the brothless ramen. And the spicy one. And here on the left side, we're on I-40 right now, between Asheville and Knoxville, and we can see on the left side the two lanes going in opposite direction are gone due to the Hurricane Helene causing massive water in the mountains and washed out the road, so they had to use the westbound lanes for both directions. And we're here in Maryville, which is about 40 minutes southwest of Sevierville. And we're gonna go and eat at the Italian restaurant right here. It's called Bella. Thank you. And we're starting off with some meatballs and bread.
So how long does that roll last?
About 3 weeks. Here's a little sample of our cheese wheel. It's called Grana Padano, and it comes from northern Italy. It comes from a region called the Po Valley. Of course, we do add 2 other cheeses to the mix.
Okay.
So that kind of throws that out the window.
Okay. What's that, water?
Nope. What I've got here is a 100-proof spirit that I'm going to get boiling hot, and then I'm going to pour it on top of my cheese shavings.
Oh, wow.
This is a technique called flambéing. And the reason why we do it, direct heat to the cheese won't melt it, it'll burn it. So what we need is some hot ethanol thrown into the mix that allows us to break down that solid cheese and turn it into a sauce.
Oh, wow. Cool. Oh, that's neat.
So it's melting the cheese and then you put it on the bread? Or
Okay. Well, actually, I'm actually going to pour my pasta and my Alfredo sauce right in the cheese wheel.
Oh, well, really?
Mix it in the bowl.
Okay. It's the pasta. And here we have the filet and the chicken. All right.
Beautiful.
There it
Thank
is. Thank you. Another evening here in the Great Smoky Mountains, Sevierville. And I'm going to be here a few more days. Beautiful evening. Temperature's going to be in tonight around 60, I guess. Good morning. Today is Friday, October 10th. And we are heading into the Great Smoky Mountains. We're going to go to the Blue Ridge Parkway. And to drive about, I don't know, like 80, 90 miles or so along the parkway and see if we see some fall colors. It's a beautiful morning. We had a cold front came through last night. It was in the low 50s temperature. And the high is going to be around 70 today. Alright, we're here at Cherokee, North Carolina at the Rice Wagon, enjoying a burger and some nachos. And we're here at the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Blue Ridge Parkway, here's the very beginning of the parkway, which goes all the way up to Virginia. I want to drive towards Asheville. And we're here at the visitor center. About 6,000 feet high. Alright, we're here at the cradle of the foresty overlook, elevation 4710. Buck Spring Lodge was a remote hunting retreat for George Vanderbilt, creator of the Biltmore estate. While the Biltmore symbolized luxury, Buck Spring was a quiet escape into the mountains. The Vanderbilts once owned over 125,000 acres here, land that later became much of the Pisgah National Forest, leaving a lasting legacy of conservation. And here's the spring. Here at the graveyard's fields overlook. Look at these colors. The sun is not even full out yet.